Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is on an eyebrow tutorial, an updated version of my eyebrow tutorial. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Anastasis Signatures. I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. First off, I went in with the brow tamer to tame the brows, and I used a setting powder to mattify it, and I dusted the excess off. Now I'm outlining the brow using a dark pencil. I'm now going ahead to do hair-like strokes, so the brow will look as natural as possible instead of shading. When you shade the brow, it makes it look unnatural. This method makes it look natural. For the beginning part of the brow, because I want it to look as natural as possible, I'm using a lighter shade of pencil. Now I'm going ahead to highlight the brow using a lighter shade of concealer, just a little bit lighter than her, about a shade lighter than her, to outline the brow. Now I'm outlining the top part of the brow. I'm using her exact foundation shade, the same foundation I used on her. That's what I'm using to outline the top of the brow, so it will blend in with the foundation. I'm going ahead to blend out the concealer, and that's it. After blending it out, you put your setting powder and you're good to go. So you can see how natural the brows is looking. What do you think about this? I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to my next video. Bye. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.